In this problem, the dividend for Should I Incorporated is currently $1.95 per share. It is expected to grow at 24% next year and decline linearly to a 6% perpetual rate beginning in 4 years. If you require a 15% return on the stock, what is the most you would pay per share? Let's go to our template. We're going to need 4 years of dividends, technically 4 years. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. All right. Required rate is 15%. Terminal growth is 6. Let's go to growth calculations. First stage is going to last for 4 years. Currently, dividends are 195. Ignore that current year growth rate for now. I use it for different purposes. Uh, Terminal growth is 6%. Next year growth rate is 24%. We're going to use the H model to figure out the growth rates for years 2 and 3. And let me see. Let's enter the formula. Last year's growth rate minus the first year's growth rate. I'm going to fix that minus the terminal growth rate. And we're going to do that over 4 years. So 4 minus 1. And we will fix that argument as well. So year 2 is going to be 18%. Year 3 is going to be 12, and year 4 is going to be 6. And we can calculate what you want to call the dividends. First year is easy. Take the dividends current 1 plus that year's growth rate. Then last year's growth rate times 1 plus that last year's dividend times 1 plus this year's growth rate. Copy them in. Okay. So we know our dividends. Let's go to our dividend growth model. Currently, I'm in manual dividends mode. If I want to copy them directly, I'm going to, let me make this full screen. This little hand button does full screen. This goes to the last sheet. These zoom in and out. All right. If I double click on the check mark, it's going to automatically take it for 4 years. And we have our answer. Alternatively, let's go to manual dividend mode, which clears all of those. Go to growth calculations. Wherever you calculated your dividends, copy them, go back to dividend growth model, right click values. Obviously, it gives me exactly the same. Let's see if we get the same answer as the publisher did. Yes, we did. That doesn't mean publisher is necessarily right, but these are done by graduate students. So every once in a while, they actually do make mistakes.